Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your Wix website, publish, unpublish. So let's go to Wix dashboard first. In this dashboard, you'll find here three dot. Click on three dot, and then you'll find here move to trash. You cannot directly delete this first. Click on move to trash. Now you have to click on move to trash again. Now your website is in trash. Now you have to go to this trash option and you'll find your website. If you want to delete this permanently, you have to click on this and click on remove site, or if you want to restore this one, click on restore site and it will be restored like this. Okay, so when you delete your site, it will be unpublished, and when you restore this site and click on publish, your website will be published. Okay guys, so this is how you can delete your Wix website, publish, unpublish. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.